Question 18. It's based on scale factor and similarity. So scale factors, a scale drawing of an object is the same shape as the object but a different size. The scale of a drawing is a comparison of the length used on a drawing to the length it represents. The scale is written as a ratio. And similar figures, the ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figures is called the scale factor. Scale factor is equal to length in image divided by the corresponding length in object. If one shape can become another using resizing, then the shapes are similar. So this is rotation or turn, this is reflection or flip, this is translation or slide. Hence, two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize, flip, slide or turn, either of these. Okay, so what are the questions? Part A, a model of a boat is made on the scale of 1:4. The model is 120 centimeters long. The full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeters. What is the width of the scale model? Okay, here the model of the boat is in the scale 1:4. So if the scale model is 1, then the actual size of the boat is 4 times of it. Now we know that the width of the full size of the boat is 40. So the width of scale model divided by the width of actual boat will also be 1:4. Therefore, the width of the scale model will be equal to width of boat divided by 4 or 60 by 4, which is equal to 15 centimeters. So our answer is 3. B part, what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? They are flipped horizontally, they are dilated by a scale factor, they are translated down, or they are not the mirror images of one another. So we know that we have seen here flip is possible, scale factor is possible, we can have any ratio there, if their translation is possible. So the answer here is that if they are not the mirror image of each other, then it will affect the similarity. Answer 4. Now C part. If two similar triangles have a scale factor of A:B, which statement regarding the two triangles is true? First, the ratio of their perimeter is 3:B, their altitudes have a ratio A:B, their medians have a ratio A/2:B, or their angle bisectors have a ratio A²:B². The answer here is altitudes will have a ratio A:B. Because the triangles are similar, so their altitudes will also be in the same ratio. D part. The shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meters. At the same time, the shadow of a tree is 12.5 meters high. Then, okay, so here we know that if this is a stick, then the sun is falling, say, from here. So stick is 5 meter long and the shadow is 2. Similarly, now there's a tree which is 12.5 meter high. We need to find the shadow. So we know that 12.5 by 5, the ratio of these two will be equal to the ratio of this. Suppose this is L, so L by 2. So because the angles are same here, so here we can say that L is equal to, this is 2.5, so (2.5) into 2 is 5. So this is 5 meters. Answer is 4. So we just need to see, because here the angles will be same. These will be similar triangles because this is the sun. this angle and this angle will be same. So these triangles will form will be similar. This is 90 degree by angle. So that's why we can say that the ratios will be same. Okay, E part. Below you see a student's mathematical model of a farmhouse roof with measurements. The attic floor ABCD in the model is a square. The beams that support the edges of the rectangular prism EFGHKLMN. E is the middle of AT, F is the middle of BT, G is the middle of CT, and H is the middle of DT. All the edge of the pyramid in the model have length of 12 meters. All the edges are 12 meters. What is the length of EF, where EF is one of the horizontal edges of the... Okay, from the main model, it looks complicated. Let's take out one of the triangles. This one, TAB. So this is T, this is A, and this is B. This is EF. We know that EF is parallel to AB. And TB and TA are same, and even AB is same, as all the edges are 12. Therefore, this is 12, this is 12, and this is 12. This is an equilateral triangle. And E and F are midpoints. So this is half, 6 and 6, and this is also 6 and 6. Okay. Now, since it's equilateral, these are parallel, we can say that the ratios divide the same. So we can say that TE by TA will be equal to EF by AB. Now TE is 6, TA is 12, is equal to EF by 12 again. This goes, therefore EF is equal to 6 meters. So the answer is 3. Hey guys, if you liked the video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel.